and welcome to a new Lakeside Parkway video. Just a quick video, a bit of a series of cheap tools I found off Amazon that are really handy for mod railway. So in this one we've got this little rechargeable, so it recharges through USB, hoover, little handheld hoover. So it's designed for cars and stuff, but I thought it'd be brilliant for mod railways basically. So I brought one to give it a go, and yeah, brilliant. So if you're doing any jobs and you need to tidy up, or you just want to give your track a bit of a clean, or the baseboards and stuff, it's brilliant. So you just press and hold the back button, it turns on, and then all you do is that, and it's absolutely brilliant. Picks everything up, picks all this up around here. So and then to empty it, all you do is you just, it's a bit difficult one-handed. There we go. So you just unclick that there, take that off, and then this filter comes out here, and basically under there you'll see it does pick up really well. Yeah, so what I've done is I've used it when I've been ballasting, so like this area here, just to pick up, or if I apply static grass, I'll apply it first and then do that. Once it's dry, I'll do it over to get rid of all the excess. So yeah, it's brilliant. What I'll do is, it was around about £20. It might have gone up a little bit since I got it, but I'll leave a link to it down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this new little mini series of tools that I've found that are good. If you are, let me know and I'll carry on doing it. If you're not, I'll stop. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.